Hello guys, welcome back to another Hypers Gaming video. The new update just came in and it's the Brawler Days update and it is just amazing. The new brawler Byron is there. So Byron deals with potions and he's part of the Barley Piper trio. Okay, and he has a gift shop which gives you potions for your enemies and potions for your friends. So basically, it's kind of like crows. He has a very long range attack, and once you shoot it, the damage will be 400 per second to the enemy. And if you see, he has very low health. Even that shooter bot killed me in like seven tries. So he's very low health brawler, but he has a lot of versatility. The thing that I like about Byron is that along with his super, which can heal him and his teammates, it's basically like Poco with his Decapo star power. So if he shoots a teammate, it will get healed 500 health, and if he shoots an enemy, it will get damaged by 400 health in seconds. So technically, that's the mechanics of him. I don't think he's going to be really good at taking out Swarm except if he has a super. Um, yeah, and right now, as you can see, it takes me quite a while to take down these bots if I hit them with only one attack. So, in my opinion, he's not really that versatile. Of course, he's a great brawler, a mythic brawler, but the best thing I like about him is his super and the healing plus damage mechanics. We've got another brawler, as in two new brawlers in this update, and one of them is Byron. The other one is Edgar, whose gameplay I will show later. Okay, so that's it for Byron. Um, if you see in the shop, there are gonna be some free rewards every day. So take those, and one of those free rewards is actually gonna be Edgar. So remember to log in every day. So and for the Christmas update, they've put in present plunder. Okay, and one thing that I did not realize about the map maker is that the map which was first put into rotation, which was the flooded dam map, that is back into rotation, and I had no idea that this would happen. I thought it would be like a one-time thing. So it was a pretty good map, so I'm pretty happy that it's there. And this is Byron's mechanics. He's got 3 on defense, 2 on offense, and a lot of utility. So I was playing B, but now I'm going to be playing some bounty. The name is Shift Raft, and it's kind of like boat battle, but there's like something that's adjoining the two, kind of like a bridge. Okay, so we've even got the animated pins, and they're really cool. I've got one of them, the Colt, and there's Shelly, there's Brock. Okay, so they look really cool. I'm just gonna be playing some Colt now in the new bounty map, Shift Raft. Also, there's the new blue star thing. So if two teams in a bounty have the same number of stars, then whoever has the blue star wins. So this is really gonna help the fact about the blue star being in the game, because usually when there's a draw, there's like really no fun. One of my friends, he played present plunder and he had like 8 draws, so he was really sad. So that's all I wanted to say. They've got a Tick and a Nani and a Shelly, and because I'm not much focused on the game, I keep dying. We've got a Frank and we've got a Tara, but I still don't believe that we can win. Whoa, that teleporter messed me up. At least I killed the Shelly and got the blue star. They're leading by 5 stars, but I think that I'm gonna lose this match because I should have thought that Colt is not really good on this kind of maps. So we're still playing, and the Tick has the blue star. I'm just gonna show that animated pin, and I just took that teleporter, and I died instantly. So still playing, and the Tara is an Iris Tara. That's a pretty good skin if you want it. Like, it's only for 500 star points, I think, and it's a very good skin. Of course, in my opinion, there are only 3 Tara skins. One is the normal, one is the Iris, and one is the Street Ninja. And Street Ninja is one of the coolest skins in the game. So I'm just gonna melt that Nani, but I still believe we're gonna lose because they're leading 44 to 26, and they have the blue star. Especially the Tick is playing very well. So this is an unwinnable position now, and I just died. I could have used my super and team killed all of them, but I still don't think that would have helped me that much. And the Nani is dead, but we still lost. So it's not a big problem. Um, I lost 6 trophies on my gold, but he is up to 20 rank 20, so I'm fine. Now I'm gonna pick blue. I'm gonna pick blue, which I intended to play with. So we're still in matchmaking now, and by the way, if you guys get Edgar or Byron, it's amazing. Especially Edgar. After all the Supercell creators, they're like, Edgar is gonna break the game and all. So if you wanna play him, and if you get him, then make sure to save all your boxes for his star power and gadget. Okay, so just gonna kill this Rico here, or at least our crow is, and he's just gonna kill me. They've got an Amber. Like before, Amber used to be like so OP, everybody's like she's broken and all, but now I don't really think that's the case. At least we just team killed and I got my super. That's the best thing about this map when you play with Bo, is that when as soon as you've got your super, like you've basically blocked off that entrance, and they can only enter through the teleporters and the jump pads, and we can just guard those jump pads. So it's a pretty good strategy if you want to play. So yeah, the Frank has got the blue star, and thank goodness he has a lot of HP, or else we'd be done right now. Because if he had low HP, that Amber would have just melted him. The Rico, do not know where he is going with his super, but he's going. I'm at very low health, so I'm just gonna take the red teleporter and run away. The Amber's left her oil here. I don't know what she's gonna do with it. Okay, at least I got my bow mines, and I'm also facing a bit of a lag, but not a big problem. Okay, something just happened. I don't know what, but looks like we're winning. We're leading by 16 points and the blue star. So I pretty much think that unless the team kill us, we're gonna be fine. That Penny is gonna get killed by the Frank. I can place down my bow mines. They're gonna keep taking that blue teleporter for some reason. Even though the Frank dies, we're 56 to 40, and that's the win. At least we killed that Rico. So we're 64 to 44, and we won this match. I'm just gonna play down my bow mines, and that's it, guys. I got eight trophies now. So basically, I lost 6, then I won 8. So it's positive trophy trade. Now I'm gonna show you the Pleasant Plunder. This is actually the first time that I'm playing it. So like the first time that I've been playing it, I wasn't here the last update. So yeah, let's see what's there. So I've heard that it's kind of like Brawl Ball, so we're gonna have to wait and see how it is. Um, the matchmaking takes quite a long time for me. Don't know why in Brawl Ball, Present Plunder, Gem Grab, but at least we've got 4 players now, and the match's gonna start soon. Okay, so we got 6 players, and we're into the match now. They've got a Gale, a Penny, and a Tick, and I've got a Primo as in me, 8-bit and Nani. I think that these guys want to go on defense, so I'm just gonna go on offense and try to take the gift. I just like this suplex fulfillment gadget. It's amazing. I lagged a little bit, but I still think we're gonna win this match. So for them, they've got the Gale and the Tick on defense. At least that's what I thought. And then I just saw the Gale coming in full offense. I'm facing a bit of a lag, but that's not a big problem because I faced a lag lots of times. The 8-bit placed down his turret there for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe he went to teleport there or what. And the ticket is coming. So that Penny is trying to take our present. So I'm just gonna go and obliterate her. And then that Tick is trying to pick up a few kills, so I'm gonna jump to there, miss my jump, waste my super, and then keep going front. So I misused my gadget. I should have thrown her over the wall instead of just farther. So that's not. So I'm just gonna keep going, and I've just respawned. The Gale and okay, the Penny, the Tick, the Gale, they're all coming on full attack. I'm just gonna go and get the energy drink or the energy boost from 8-bits does it. We're gonna have to find a way to get the gift or else we're just gonna lose. So I'm gonna go a little bit on offense and try to kill that Penny, forgetting that I'm a short range brawler. At least I killed the turret, I still died. So they're still coming on a lot of offense, and the 8-bit, it just keeps coming back and forth. So I'm really gonna have to do something now to try and get the ball. And I'm also facing a lag, so great. So I'm still keep on going, and I've caught up to the Penny. I think I can attack her now. Okay, I wasted my gadget. Okay, so that 8-bit's hiding in that bush, but he's gone back, and there are 10 seconds left, and that Penny is trying to come, but I'm not gonna let her. So let's keep playing, and I jumped on her, and it looks like the 8-bit took the ball, but then we lost the ball and it's gone back. I'm also facing lag, which isn't helping at all. They're coming on full attack, full offense, so we've got to do our best to try and stop. I'm getting afraid of that Gale. He can kill me now in one shot, but he took the gift, which was a bad decision from him. Okay, so it looks like the 8-bits got the present, and he's really slow, but he's going fast enough, and yes! Okay, so that's the win for us guys in the present plunder. It's a good match, and that's all. There's a lot of new things for this update. I'm really excited for it. If you guys wanna, if you guys wanna share any, if you wanna tell me in your comments how you like the update, you can, of course. You're welcome to. And thanks, and bye guys.